In this video, I am going to show how to grow alyssum flower. It is the first week of November here in India. I will start with the saplings kept in half-inch pots. Today, I will shift them to the second pot. The soil mixture for second potting contains garden soil, coco peat and organic compost. I will use this 2.5-inch paper cup as the second pot. I have already made a hole at the bottom of the pot so that extra water can be released. Now fill the cup halfway. Take the seedlings out and plant at the center of the pot. Press the topsoil a little. Now add water. Keep these saplings under full shade for the first 3 days. After that, you can keep them in partial shade. Do not put the saplings under direct scorching sunlight. In the meantime, monitor watering. Don't let the soil dry completely. Within 2 weeks, your plants should look like this. The plants look healthy and formed multiple branches. Today, I will transfer them to the final pot. The soil mixture for final potting contains same amount of garden soil, sand, organic compost and coco peat. Mix the components well. This is a very low cost plastic pot. It is flat, almost 2.5-inch deep. I made a few holes at the bottom. First, I will cover the holes so that the soil does not block them. After that, fill the pot half. Take the plant out and plant it at the center. Press the topsoil gently. Water the plant. After the final potting, keep the plants under partial shade for 2 days and after that put them in full sunlight. Look, I planted the saplings at slightly higher position. Thus, there is a slope of soil all around the plant. This will help the branches to spread well and make the plant look bushy. After 17 days of final potting, the plants are growing nicely and covering the pots slowly. In the meantime, I trimmed the bars with the branches multiple times. After 23 days, today I prepared the pots for hanging. 4 strings are tied at equal distance at the edge. This is the easiest method. You must try it at your home. This is how my alyssum hanging baskets look. This is after 35 days. Most of the branches got the flowers. You can see some yellow leaves. This may happen due to overwatering. Actually, it's raining here since the last 3 days. That's why the leaves became yellow. Hope the plants will recover very soon. After 40 days, The number of flowers are increasing day by day. Some plants are already in full bloom. Now let's talk about the sunlight requirement. These plants need full sunlight to grow and produce flowers. After final potting, keep them under full sunlight. Check the soil regularly. Water the plants before the soil becomes completely dry. In one sentence, I can say, keep the soil moist but don't overwater. I used liquid organic fertilizer, rotten mustard cake solution in every 20 days after the final potting. These plants produce very pleasant smell. It's very unique because most of the winter flowers do not have smells on them. They look very nice too. You should definitely try them at your own garden. Thanks for watching the video till the end.